Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. My name is Siddiqui and I'm excited to give you a complete demo of IPM Plus Productivity Optimizer, a sophisticated tool that can help firms increase staff productivity, track employee performance, and streamline operation. Let's look over its future and see how it can help organizations to enhance their business and reach their goals. Tracking productivity at the project and manager level, track employee attendance report, login logout hours, active inactive hours, productive non-productive hours. Application usage reporting, file usage by employees, URL browsing monitoring, adaptive screen capturing, webcam liveness check, shift-based productivity tracking, track break taken by employees. Now presenting a beautiful Insight productivity dashboard on screen. Here you will find essential data like overview of the last 7 days of average productive, non-productive and inactive hour. Filter out the project that you want for analysis. Report on the average productive index of each project across manager level, including reportee counts. The overall top 10 application usage duration and top 10 domain by usage duration. Furthermore, productivity quick axis, the area of analysis that may require attention. So we look at Irfan Khan team's productivity. Now click on the indicated technical project. Here is the overall attendance record of the Irfan Khan team. Track respective date-wise login, logout hours, active, inactive hours, and productivity hours. Let us choose one employee for the thorough analysis to better understand his productivity throughout working hours. So I will choose the work from home PC, that is username is Siddiqui. Select a date with low productivity and analyze the time spent by the employee. As we can see on 14 September, which is classified as his workday. So we discover his login logout time along active and inactive time. Let us select the 14 September from the date range menu and proceed to study the data by clicking on the username. We'll obtain a report to evaluate the average productivity hours on weekdays and weekends. You must select the 7 days for weekly report and 30 days for monthly report. On the right side, you will find productivity monitoring quick access, which allows you to quickly track productivity at various levels and view staff report. So let us take a quick review of productivity monitoring quick access. Application usage report. It's provide detailed report on which application are being used for how long. So each manager can classify the application as productive, non-productive, and establish the appropriate threshold. The productivity threshold determines the user minimum expected productivity. So here is the overall duration of browser apps usage time and categorizing the overall time spent on productive and non-productive browsing sites. List of top 10 application usage duration on this date. Next, list of the recent used files. Device application usage summary with productivity and non-productivity app usage duration. Device application usage details along with total time spent on each application and classification of productive and non-productive as done by manager. Now you will find the segregated detailed report of productivity and non-productivity application details here. Let's move on the browsing history. The report contains a summary of browsing history usage. This report gives detailed information about the search content on web page as well as domain name visited and the time frame for each site visit. So here is the overall top 10 domain by user duration, day-wise browsing summary with productive and non-productive duration, day-wise browsing details including information on the website visited, search parameters, and URL that the manager has classified as productive or non-productive. So the manager classify URLs as productive and non-productive based on employees' suffering history, including web page and domain name information, as well as full timeline duration for each second. Let's move on. Screenshot capture download. The IPM Plus agent takes random snapshot of the user screen. This feature automatically turn on and off based on how the user productivity varies above or below threshold. Download by clicking on date and extract the folder to view the screenshots. So to save time, I already downloaded the data and extracted the folder. You can see the screenshot. The screenshot is easily readable and provides insight into the reason for the employee's low productivity. Whether you are using social media, playing games, or watching movies. So let's talk about the liveliness. This data indicates a human presence in front of the PC, where the webcam is accessible. The both screenshots download and liveliness feature is adaptive AI enabled, turning on and off based on the productivity criteria. So let's move on. Idleness insight. It's track the break taken by employees on various dates, together with a reasonable information of break details as mentioned on screen. Let's click on September 16. Find the start time and end time of the break, along with total duration and detail of the idleness reason. Let's move on. Productivity based on working hours. It displays the shift time as well as the specifies login, logout hours, productive versus non-productive hours with respective shift duration. Click on performance based on productivity percentage. It displays top and least performer based on the productivity as per each project wise. Reporting and analytics. IPM Plus offer a powerful set of tools for creating comprehensive report that can be adapted to your individual needs. Manager can instantly receive the most recent 7 days of worth of all team member report. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for utilizing the multi-US patent award winning IPM Plus product suite.